boys and girls, and welcome to Gordon Guitar. So this time we have another song from Justin Bieber called Peaches. It's featuring Daniel Caesar and Giveon, and this one is pretty easy. It's only 4 chords and it's the same chord progression through the whole song. Isn't that great? Of course it is, and it's pretty easy chords, very peachy chords, a lot of 7s into it. So let's dive into this one. The first chord here is the F major 7, and you hold it like this. 3rd on the D string, 2nd on the G string, 1st on the B string, and open E. Sound like this. And then we have the E minor 7. It's pretty easy, only 1 finger here on the 2nd fret A string, otherwise everything is open, like this. Then we have the D minor 7, open D string, 2nd fret G string, and I bar the last B and E string like this on the 1st fret with my index finger, so sound like this. And the last chord is the C major 7. So 3rd fret A, 2nd fret D, and down from G, B, and E, it's all open. So like this. So this is the chord progression through the song, and we have one strumming pattern or picking pattern in the verse, and then another on the chorus. So let's start with the verse. As you saw in the intro here, it's played in standard tuning here, no capo set here, and I played it with the picking pattern here. I prefer this picking pattern in this song. It's a bit softer touch, and then I use the strumming pattern through the chorus. So if you choose to play with the picking pattern, I play like this. So pick, clap, pick, clap, pick, clap, clap. So that's the feeling. On the first pick here, I play the bass notes here for the chord. So in this case with the F major 7, it's the D string, and on the E minor 7, it's the E string here. D minor 7, it's the D string again, and C major 7, it's the A string here. So in the first pluck here, I choose to play with the bass string, and on the second I only answer with the lower strings here. So bass and only lower on the second. So otherwise it will be too blurry, in my opinion. And you can do it as you like, but I play like this. So slowly the chord progression will sound like this. Standard. Yeah, so that's for the verse, and then on the chorus there I would like to play the down up strumming pattern here. So the strumming pattern will be down, down, up, clap, down, down, up, clap, down, up. And what that is in context, it will sound like this, and I can demonstrate with the F major 7 here again. So down, down, up, clap, down, down, up, clap, down, up. And on the last down, up, I like to mute the up here, the last up. If you ring it out, it will be too much sound, noisy. So I think it's better to mute it in some way. If you mute it with your right hand, or if you just lift off the fingers with the left hand, sorry, it's up to you. But yeah, it's better if you mute it. So with the chord progression, it will sound like this. So on. So that pretty much covered this song. It's a very easy and very relaxed and laid back song, which is nice. So I hope you enjoyed this one, and if you would like to comment this or just leave a comment for future tutorials, you're very welcome. And even better, if you want to be a subscriber, yeah, doors are open. So follow with me on this journey. It will be great. So that's pretty much it for this time, and as always, don't forget to yeah, play tuned.